Really nice Jaguar F-Type. 2,000 miles ago and about 4 months ago, we gave full PPF to this. It's unfortunately picked up a bit of damage on the quarters, so it's been in to replace the PPF on the 2 rear quarters. But we've done that, and that's the whole point of having PPF. So you then don't have to get rid of the factory paint. All we do is take the film off, which has taken the damage for the paint. So this quarter here has got new film on it, so that's got PPF, nice thick layer of protective plastic all over it. Geon coatings on the whole car. Glass, wheels, everything have all been coated, protecting this beautiful special order indigo blue paint. What a beautiful thing. Lovely tan interior as well. This quarter's all been replaced. Everything you're seeing, everything that's blue here is covered with PPF. Wheels are all off, brand new for Geon coatings. PPF has got Geon coatings over the top of it. Glass is coated. Everything. Absolutely stunning. This is the nice rear wheel drive F-Type. 450 horsepower one, like the driver's spec F-Type. There we go. Thanks for watching. Drop us a subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you.